In this video, you'll see how to change your name on Facebook. So let's get started. First, log in to your Facebook profile. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then here, click on Settings and Privacy. Once you open Settings and Privacy, click on the Settings. Then here in the General Profile Settings section, you can change your name, username, and memorialization settings. To change your Facebook name, click on Edit in the Name section. Then here, type your new name. Before you change your Facebook name, you must know that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. Once you type your new name, click on Review Change. Then here, choose how your name will appear on your profile, first your name then the last name, or first your last name then your name. Once you finish here, type your Facebook password and press on Save Changes. Now your Facebook name is changed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.